It's like, what were you doing with my drapes? The drapes that were hanging in the apartment. I never got the answer to that. Hi, this is Kari from Sky Properties, and today we're talking about things I might ignore on a credit report. Well, there are a couple of things. So I set up my criteria with my third-party vendor ahead of time, and there are two things that I will overlook. One of them is medical bills, and the other one is student loans, just because I know so many people that pay their student loans on time and still get dinged. So I've taken those off of my credit reports. And then you ask, what are things that I will not overlook on a credit report? Well, that would be utility bills, all the basic needs. So if your tenant owes the gas company, the phone company, the DWP, any basic necessities that someone would need when moving into an apartment, I would say that's a huge red flag. And for me, through my credit report company, that's an instant disqualification. When you're hiring a third-party company to do your credit checks, which I highly recommend in this climate of people now saying that if they apply with you and don't get the apartment, they should get their money back, it's probably going to be easier just to use a third-party company in the long run. But I would say find a company that will let you set criteria that's important to you. And then again, it is critical that you apply this across the board, that you do not make any exceptions except for a reasonable accommodation if you have to. Because when you start making exceptions to your credit report, you're going down a tricky path. You need to be very careful with that.